everybody. Brian Tolfson, founder and president of Tikiz. Today's a fun day. We're going to pick up a new Tikiz truck at Bartow Ford, which is a few hours away from our headquarters in South Florida. So it's a fun little field trip day. One of the first steps of purchasing your new Tikiz truck is getting your LLC corporation taken care of and completed. Once that's completed, then you'll be able to fill out the one-page business credit Ford credit application. It generally takes about 24 to 48 hours to get the approval, and once the approval is completed, they'll send the buyer's order with all of the terms and interest rates and things of that nature for your approval. Once you approve, they'll send you the paperwork by FedEx. You sign. Generally have to put a deposit down on the truck for us to be able to go pick it up. We assist you with getting your insurance quotes needed in order to turn your insurance on for your truck. And then once all that's submitted and sent back to the Ford dealership, we're able to schedule to go pick up your truck. So it generally takes about 90 days to build a Tikiz truck from the time that we pick up your truck from the dealership. Sometimes it could be a little bit quicker, sometimes it could extend a little bit longer depending on access to all of the needed items like trucks, equipment, supplies, and vendors. But generally 90 days is usually what it takes to build a Tikiz truck.